Hey y'all. Gonna fall and ain't even got started with dicking around yet. Just trying to get someplace to walk or stand. Got too many boxes. Run that intro. Welcome to Blue Bike Noise channel with another episode of Dicking Around in this Shed. Now run that intro. Welcome back. You know, you getting closer to finishing a project when your boxes are getting empty and going away. But don't worry, I got more coming. Yep, I got tail lights. I got some new front turning signal marker lights. What else I got coming? Oh, some battery connections, some gold connections, you know, stuff like this to make a cleaner install. But yeah, I gotta get rid of this box, so let's check that out. All right, step one: remove the saddlebags. Step two: have a good place to put your parts, painted parts, and Bohannon's showing you that. Let me take these saddlebags off. I've got the marker sequence lights. I got to unplug, and then you just lift it off, and you got to move both in. There you go, and you can see the brake caliper. Got two Allen heads you got to take off. Let's get your lights. Inspect the thing. They getting low. Might be a little dust on them dirt. We'll go ahead and replace them. You got two the 5/16 Allen heads. So let me remove those. I went ahead and took off my side cover just to give me a little extra room. Might not need to do that. I don't know. So got those off. Looks like I'm gonna need another torch. I mean an Allen head for that right there. When I get to that part. Yep. And that's a looks like a 5. So let's pull the brake caliper up. You can just lift it straight up and bring it out of the way. Yeah, those pads are kind of thin. So let's undo that bolt right there. Maybe I should have did it when it was on. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, no. Don't forget to remove that little pin right there. Key. Remove that little keeper. That little keeper. Yeah. I got the little pin out. It was just corroded, stuck in there. Yeah. So you got. There you go. thin. And these look like the same, so let me get my other ones. As you can see, these are the same, so we in luck. It's simple to put them back in, same way you took them out. Almost, you gotta turn them this way. But you gotta go up and then slide them, and then I gotta push the piston back, which these are push, so make sure they are push and don't screw in. Yeah, push them back in. Push your pistons back in. Maybe I should have put I need something with more strength than my fingers. Before you take your brake shoes all the way out, use the old brake pads, put up in there, and use a screwdriver to push them back in. Yeah. You see, I just stuck my screwdriver in there and kind of twisted it, turn it. They'll push them back up in. So while I got this part down here, just slide them out. So I'm gonna clean this up with some brake clean. I should have maybe, I don't know. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I got plenty of it. Then I'm gonna clean this up and put it back together. Back in there, Bohannon. Alright, make sure you put your little pin back in. There's a little slot in that, the pin that you go through to put the keeper in. Make sure you do that. Now all I like to do is put these bigger bolts back in. Make sure your ABS line's out of the way. Don't want to pinch it, that's the way it says. So stick these bolts back in. Good and tight. Good and tight. I mean, because they were tight when I took them off. Alright. That looks like everything. I'm going to clean it up a little bit down here. Alright, that's how you install brakes. I just put it back together and we got that project done. Remember to pump your brakes back up. The air pressure, I should have did that when I had the bags off, made it easier. That's what you get. Like I said, make sure when you take before you pull your brake shoes, you take a screwdriver, because you want to use your old brake pads because it will damage pushing them back. So just a note. Look how dirty my hands are. Lucky I got some TKO handwrites from sweetpatina.com. Go to Pudding Fab Shop to get a PO code or whatever you call them. PO code. This is what they look like. And you like I said, look at my hands. It smells real clean. TKO hand club, made in America, in Frisco, Texas. Sweetpatina.com. You go to Pudding Fab Shop, get that. Well, actually, it's P as in pudding, F as in fab, S as in shop, 64. That's his code. I don't have a code because they ain't sponsoring me. But if you go over there and tell them Blue Bite and Pudding sent you. Blue Bite and Gore sent you. Maybe I'll get sponsored by them because they work. I like them. Like the smell. Like I said, I got some engine degreaser that I'm fixing to go use. Maybe. I don't know. So check out that video there and that one, and hit the subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one. Later. Later.